to need this app. You can see this app is called ZArchiver. Some people actually call it ZArchiver. So if you don't have this app, you need to go and install it right now because you are going to need it to install your game. Now, once you are done downloading any game and you want to install it, simply open this ZArchiver app. Once it's open, you have to locate that downloaded game file. So for me, my download file is in my UC download section. So you can see the file is actually a zip file. So what you have to do right now is to click on it, just tap on it once, and you're going to see extract here. So click on it to extract the game ISO. Once it's done extracting, then the next thing that you need to do is just to hold down on this ISO file. Once you hold down, you are going to see the cut button. Click on it. So once you've clicked on it, now you need to locate your PSP folder. So as for me, my PSP folder is in my document. So I don't know about you guys, so you just need to search and look for that folder. It's very important. So once you finally found your PSP folder, you can see my right here. Click on it and then select the game folder. So once you select this game folder, click on paste. You can see the paste at the bottom right corner. So click on it and it's going to paste the ISO into the game folder. So once you've done this, the next thing you need to do now is to open your PSP emulator. So once you open your PSP emulator, what you have to do now is to click this browse. You can see browse at the top. Click on it. Now once you've done that, all you have to do is go select that game folder. So let me just start from the beginning. So like I said earlier, it's in documents, PSP, games. So I'm going to click on use this folder because this is where I'm going to be storing all my ISO files. So once I click use this folder, I click allow. Immediately you can see that the game have loaded up. So that's just how it's done. So once I click on this now, my game is going to start playing. So let me just play it a little bit for you guys so you guys can see that this actually works like magic. So you can see everything is playing totally fine. So as you guys can see, this works perfectly fine. So you can play so many type of games like God of War. You can even play FIFA, different type of games. So all you have to do, just download your game and then enjoy yourself. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.